our arithmetic progression. We are taking 4 sums in today's lecture. So now we are coming to problem practice set 3.3, question number 7. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. तुमको हिंट दिया हुआ है, assumption assume that 3 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a and a plus d. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता दूं, एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दूं, इसको ध्यान में रखना, कल को कोई बाहर से सम आया तो if 3 consecutive terms है तो you will take a minus d, a and a plus d. अगर 4 consecutive terms है तो you take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. अगर 4 consecutive terms रहेंगे तो आपकी बुक में अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन में कुछ अलग तरीके से दिया हुआ है, इस तरीके से भी सॉल्व करोगे तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा इजी हो जाता है, बट बिकॉज द बुक हैज गिवन यू हिंट तो वी आर गोइंग टू डू अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक्स मेथड. और अगर 5 consecutive terms है तो यू विल टेक a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. पिछले 2 साल से अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का कभी भी कोई बाहर का सम नहीं आया, तो देयर इज ए वेरी हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ये टाइम पे 5 टर्म्स का आपको पूछेंगे एंड देन बिकॉज यू हैव बीन टॉट दिस, तो यहाँ पे आपको दिमाग लड़ाना पड़ेगा. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी आई थिंक दैट इट इज टू हाई कि आपको एपी में से कोई एक बाहर का क्वेश्चन आए, एंड ऑल्सो इट विल बी ऑन दैट 5 टर्म्स आर इन एपी, उसके हिसाब से क्वेश्चन आएगा. So remember that when you have to take 5 terms, you have to take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Coming back to the question, you were told that 3 consecutive terms are in AP. So we have been told that let the 3 consecutive terms be, let the 3 consecutive terms be a minus d, a and a plus d. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म आपका a minus d है, सेकेंड टर्म a है एंड थर्ड इज a plus d. Now what is given to you? Their sum is 27. Therefore हमारे पहले कंडीशन से इनका सम 27 है. a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. d और d कट हो जाता है, minus d and plus d. You are left with 3a is equal to 27. Therefore a is equal to 27 upon 3. Therefore a is equal to 9. a is equal to 9. ठीक है. Then what is next given to you? You have been given their product is 504. Sum, ये तीनों टर्म का सम 27 था, ये तीनों टर्म का प्रोडक्ट 504 है. बाय सेकेंड कंडीशन a minus d into a plus d is equal to 504 is equal to 504. This will be a square minus d square is equal to 504. हम यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू ले चुके हैं, फिर पुट द वैल्यू हियर. सिंगल a is equal to 9, a square is equal to 9 square is equal to 81 minus d square is equal to 504. Therefore 81 minus d square is equal to 504 upon 9. will give you 9 5s are 45 and 9 6 are 54, will give you 56. Therefore 81 minus 56 is equal to d square. Therefore d square is equal to 25. Therefore d is equal to प्लस एन माइनस 5. यहाँ पे आपको खाली पॉजिटिव नहीं लेना है, दोनों लेना है नेगेटिव प्लस एन माइनस 5, क्योंकि कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका माइनस बी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. फाइन. Therefore the required AP will be, therefore the required AP will be if D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. तो A माइनस डी है पहला टर्म, T1 इज इक्वल टू A माइनस डी इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 4. T2 इज इक्वल टू A, दिस इज इक्वल टू A का वैल्यू 9 था, एंड T3 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस T, this is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And if D is equal to minus 5, if D is equal to minus 5, so T1 is equal to A minus D, this is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And T2 is equal to A, which will remain as it is, that is 9, and T3 is equal to A plus D, this is equal to 9, D is taken as minus 5 is equal to 4, is equal to 4. ठीक है. Therefore the required AP, therefore यहाँ पे required लिखा है आपने, यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करके आप रिक्वायर्ड एपी नीचे लिख सकते हो. द रिक्वायर्ड एपी इज 4 9 14 और 14 9 एंड 4, 4 9 14 और 14 9 4. आपका दो आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Now taking the question number 8 of the same exercise, find 4 consecutive terms in AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Assume 4 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. So we have to take that, let the 4 consecutive terms be, this will be our 8th question. Let the 4 consecutive terms B. आपके बुक में दिया हुआ है, तो वी आर गोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक. A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. You can also take this as, just for your information, this can also be taken as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Students are advised to also try to solve by taking these 4 terms, these as 4 consecutive terms. Fine. Now what is the first condition? Sum is 12. Therefore by first condition हमको दिया हुआ है sum is equal to 12, तो A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 12. यहाँ पे एक डी कैंसिल हो जाता है. वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1 2 3 4. 4A plus 2D is equal to 12. Dividing throughout by 2, we get 2A plus D is equal to, dividing throughout by 2 is equal to 6. 2A plus D is equal to 6. और सेकंड इज सम ऑफ द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ टर्म इज 14. ये T3 है, ये T4 है. सम ऑफ द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ टर्म बाय सेकेंड कंडीशन a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to sum of the third and fourth term is 14 is equal to 14. ऐड कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. This will be your second equation. ये आपका आया 2a plus d is equal to 6, 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. You have to proceed as these are two equation according to your linear equation with two variables. You have to proceed according to that. फिर भी मैं proceed कर लेता हूँ जरा. Now subtracting equation number 1 from 2. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2. 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. 2a plus d is equal to 6. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. 3d minus d will be 2d is equal to 14 minus 6 will be 8. Therefore d is equal to 4. कॉमन डिफरेंस आपका 4 मिल रहा है. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग करेंगे. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग d is equal to 4 in equation number 1. In equation number 1 है 2a plus d is equal to 6. d का वैल्यू रिप्लेस करेंगे. 2a plus 4 is equal to 6. 2a is equal to 6 minus 4. 2a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 1. रिप्लेस करेंगे. अभी हम हमारा AP ढूंढेंगे. Therefore T1 ये हमारा T1 a minus d था. a minus d is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Let me tell you यहाँ पे d का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आया है. दो वैल्यूज नहीं है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव नहीं है, तो आपका AP सिर्फ एक ही आंसर आएगा. There will be no two-way answers here. T2 is equal to a का वैल्यू 1 था. T3 is equal to a plus d. This will be equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. T3 is equal to a plus 2d. This is equal to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 1 plus 8. This is equal to 9. Therefore the required AP will be minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Next sum will be question number 9. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. ठीक है? What is given to you? T9 is equal to 0 is given to you. T9 is equal to 0 is given to you. You have to show that 29th term T29 to show that T29 is equal to twice of T19. T9 is equal to 0. You have to show that T29 is equal to twice of T19. ठीक है? Now प्रूफ करेंगे इधर Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Therefore, T9 is equal to a plus. Now, लेंथी प्रोसीजर के बजाय 8 माइनस 1 अभी आपका प्रैक्टिस हो गई है. आपको मालूम है कि यहाँ पे जो नंबर है यहाँ पे एक नंबर कम रहता है, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट हियर इज इक्वल टू 8d. T9 इज इक्वल टू 8d. 9 माइनस 1d होगा. Therefore T9 कितना दिया हुआ है? 0 दिया हुआ है. Therefore a plus 8d is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to minus 8d. a is equal to minus 8d. ठीक है. Now T29 is equal to a plus 28d. T29 is equal to a plus 28d. This 8d, a का वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस 8d प्लस 28d. a from 1 a का वैल्यू है माइनस 8d. हमने माइनस 8d डाला, तो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? therefore T29 is equal to 20d. okay, we get T29 is equal to 20d. Then we take T19 is equal to a plus 18d. T19 is equal to a plus 18d. Therefore T19 is equal to a का वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस 8d. माइनस 8d प्लस 18d. T19 is equal to minus 8d plus 18d. Therefore T19 is equal to minus 10. T19 is equal to 10d. Twice of T19 is equal to 20d. Twice of T19 is equal to 20d. T19 10d था. Twice of T19 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. T19 is equal to 20d. Now T29 is equal to 20d और twice of T19 is equal to 20d. Therefore from 2 and 3 T29 is equal to twice of T19. Therefore T29 is equal to twice of T19. Last question of the day. This is your page number 80. Problem set 3 and question number 10. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of the 3 terms placed exactly at the middle is 225 and the sum of the last 3 terms is 429. Write the AP. लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स है सम, पर इसको थोड़ा सा सिंपल कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स इजियर. नाउ व्हाट इज बीइंग टोल्ड दैट देयर आर 37 टर्म्स इन एन एपी. सम ऑफ 3 टर्म प्लेस्ड एग्जैक्टली इन द मिडल. देयर आर टोटल 37 terms in the AP. Therefore the middle term, remember your statistics for calculation of mode, median, for calculation of median. ये आपका odd number है, तो the middle term will be odd number है, तो एक नंबर ऐड करके उसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 37 plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 38 upon 2. This will be 19. So therefore क्या मिल रहा है हमको? 19th term is the middle term. तो हमारे को therefore the three numbers exactly in the middle will be T18, T19 and T20. T18, T19 and T20. Therefore हमको क्या दिया हुआ है? T18 plus T19 plus T20, इनका सम कितना दिया हुआ है? 225. 225. Therefore we have T18 will be A plus 17D. T18 will be A plus 17D. T19 will be A plus 18D. And T20 will be A plus 19D. Is equal to 225. Is equal to 225. This is equal to 3A plus 9, 8, 17, 7, 24, 2 carried, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 54D is equal to 225. Dividing throughout by 3, A plus 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, D is equal to 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. This will be our equation number 1. This will be our equation number 1. Then you have sum of last three terms is 429. Sum of last three terms is 429. What are the last three terms? Also total 37 terms है, तो last three terms will be 35, 36 and 37. T 35 plus T 36 plus T 37. इनका टोटल कितना दिया हुआ है? It is given as 429. It is given as 429. So you have A plus 34D plus A plus 35D plus A plus 36D is equal to 429. You have 3A plus 5, 4, 9, 9, 6, 15, 1 carried, 4, 3, 7, 3, 10, 105D is equal to 429. Again we will divide throughout by 3. We will get A plus 35D is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. This is your equation number 2. Now again you have got two equations. Again you have got two equations. Okay. So what do we do now? लीनियर इक्वेशन के हिसाब से इसको प्रोसेस करते हैं. You process this according to linear equation. You have adding equation number 1 and 2. Adding equation number 1 and 2. You have A plus 18D is equal to 75. Adding नहीं करेंगे, subtraction करेंगे. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2. Equation number 1 from 2. You have equation number 2 is A plus 35D is equal to 143 and A plus 18D is equal to 75 minus A cancel हो गया. You are left with 17D is equal to 5 8 13, 1 carried, 8 6 14, 68. Therefore D is equal to क्या मिला आपको? 4. Therefore D is equal to 4. Substituting करेंगे, D is equal to 4 substitute करेंगे हम, then we will get A is equal to, यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं हम substitute करेंगे, that you have been taught. that you have been taught, so you try to do it on your own. Okay, यहाँ पे 8 8 18 8 36 72, तो a का वैल्यू हमको 3 आ रहा है, a का वैल्यू हमको 3 आ रहा है. ओके, a का वैल्यू हमको 3 आ रहा है. Now the question that find the AP, the question that was there is find the AP. Therefore T1 is equal to A is equal to 3, T2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 3 plus 4 to the 8 is equal to 11. ये पहले 3 टर्म है और फिर लास्ट के 2 टर्म हम ले लेते हैं. T36 is equal to A plus 35, T36 is equal to A plus 35D is equal to 3 plus 105, सॉरी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना, 35 इंटू 4, 35 to 70, 140 plus 3 is equal to 143, and T37 will be equal to A plus 36D. This will be equal to 3 plus 36 into 4 will be equal to 36 into 4, 144. 144 plus 3 is equal to 147. Therefore the required AP is आपका 3, 7, 11 and so on, 143 and 147. This is the required AP. यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन नहीं किया हूँ मैंने, यहाँ पे आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है, A3 का फाइंड आउट करना है. कैसे आया आपको फाइंड आउट करने का है. ओके, हाउ A3 came, that is your required AP is 3, 7, 11, 143, 147.